Hello you guys, welcome back. How would you like to make this beautiful swag for your lantern? And today I will show you how. But first of all, I'd just like to thank y'all for coming. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. I'd like to thank all of my subscribers for being with me. So y'all have a blessed day and a safe day. Let's begin. We're going to use the same elements that we used on the project that I did on the my centerpiece on my last video. Now, if y'all have not seen that video, go back and watch it. I will put a link below where you can find it in my playlist. What we're going to use this gardener here that I got 1 year, a long time ago. That I don't use it anymore, so I'm gonna use it just for the attachments for my flowers. Then I got 5 of these pumpkins from Walmart. I got this little greenery here that I took off an old tree that I'm not using anymore. It's an artificial tree, so I'm just getting limbs out of it, and I'm gonna put it in my in this project. So I don't throw anything away. So if I can use it, I'm gonna keep it. Oh, these little lamb ears from Walmart. So I'm probably gonna use about 3 of them. I might use 4, but we'll see. I got this greenery here. Then I got some little fall colors here. I'm gonna use these white sunflowers. These are fall sunflowers, and I'm gonna use those. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all my elements up, and then I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so this here is the lantern that I'm going to use. We're gonna use our little gardener here, and I'm going to attach it together. As you know, it's just coming just that one little piece. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of attach it together like so. And then we're gonna swing this around here like this. Going to use our greenery here. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach it to one of these little branches here. Okay, next we're going to put our little greenery here. I already had detached it from the branch, and make sure you have some type of wire cutters to cut them, because they're pretty hard to cut with scissors, so make sure you have that. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing like we did just a while ago. I'm going to kind of put these right here to the side like. I'm just going to attach it just wherever I can find a little place. I do recommend that cut the stem down a little bit before you try to attach these, so you can hook them on to the branches in the back. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting out a little fall colors. And wherever way you want it. I guess I could go ahead and start from the bottom and work my way up and just find one of those little attachments and attach it to it. And just kind of taking it under and bending it a little bit. Made this little bow. I'm gonna bring the camera back a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and attach this. I got some little wires here in the back that I left for the attachment. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting my little flowers in. Just kind of stick them in like so. Pretty good. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our sunflowers in. Okay, now we're gonna put our little pumpkins in. I'm gonna open up just a little bit. That'll kind of hold it up. Okay, so I have finished it. Got a little bow on. And remember, before you put your flowers and your pumpkins, everything, put your bow on first. It would be a lot easier if you would do that first. And I was going to show y'all one more thing. On these, on your little pumpkins, go up under this right here and catch it up under one of these little branches here. Catch it up under. Just put it in like so, and then catch it up under, and then tie it. I found that to be a whole lot more easier. Now it's fit. This is DIY that I made. This was a, I got some candy for Christmas, and I keep my cans. And so what I did with this, and I was trying to make it into a buffalo check, but I don't know, it's not like it. It's just an inspired piece of that I made. And so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna place it inside like so. And then I got these two pumpkins. I went on and spray paint them white. So I'm gonna put those up in there too, like so. Hope y'all can see that. And then I've got this little pine cone. It's got a hole in it already, so I'm just going to set it up in there like so. I'm probably going to end up putting some glue on it and glue it down. But I think it is so cute. Now my next set is going to be a candle. Y'all know I love candles. And when these hurricane lights. And I might end up putting some little greenery in there along with that. I don't know if I want that from the front or back. So I'm going to take some pictures on my buffet, and then I'll be back.